him, grab him, grab him, grab him, grab him.
Hold it there.
Grab him. Grab him. Wait there. Wait there. Right off him. Right off him. Yeah! Some John. He saw some John. He saw some John.
I could have beat myself, but them one.
Yeah, but when I'm walking like movie.
Fight. Food in a plate.
I want to, you know, Uncle Chip. Nah, left in line, you know.
Not left in it. But more showing us something, look here.
Push up in our eye, man. Look up in this. Flying him off.
Iron drive.
Iron! Let me see you, Martin.
Uncle, no, hold on, Uncle. He saw some John. Intense. I want like intense.
Look at the muscle.
Yeah, guys, I just hit on the water. Get some bait. So we have to go keep the bait hunting.
Wow.
But more showing us something, look here.
Big, you know. You know what? Showing them good because they maybe nah.
Let me catch it, snap on the chip or kill him all like that.
Yeah, man, I cook him out. Him will go and go cook. Hold him side and see. Yeah. Look in his hand. And he look there and he hang off.
I'm perching there now.
I'm perching, you haven't seen him. Yo, fish that Spanish Valley wicked, you know. I'm not asking, you know, from the man catch him with his paws, you must know, you know. I don't ask me answer. Yo, last year then time, I 8 tarpon we catch and about 6 snapper up there. Then same time. Bite! Fish pan line, fish pan line, fish pan line. I don't big. Well, who wants to see a walk? Who wants to see a walk? See have him? You know big? You have size? But I want bone fish? In that distance out there, man. Work him, uncle, work him. I want nice to go top, I want small top on, you know. I want nice top on. Yeah, man, I want nice top on. Yeah, man, nice one, nice little baby one. Nice. Watch your rod.
Nice.
Use up for them in a very. As you say, you leave. Come on.
Nice one, man.
Lip too.
And look at the car, look. Yeah. Hey. You want him to come up? You want him to walk on water? Snapper, take him up, snapper, take him up, snapper. Just take him. Come on, go. Yeah, man, bison. The boy. Come on, relax, man. Take him up, I could see him, bossy. Yes, man, hold him up, I could see him, man. The people might ask it. Big, you know.
Nice size, you know.
Decent boy. Bison.
Naive.
I'm not even Uncle Chip.
Bison, man. Nice size.
Yeah, man. Look, we look weird down there.
Peeps, we are go down a river mouth, reach the river mouth, and get a car, say fisherman by the other river mouth.
Yeah, man, so we have to next river mouth, you see me?
You mold it them then, I walk it right up there, so. There's no Uncle Chip there right there, so.
Yeah, man.
I see it in the night, he entered in here now. So right now we are going to the river mouth, and a fear action now again.
Yeah, man, I saw Super Drive, so they can't see him at the moment now.
Yeah, I'm on it, man, it's the same thing.
Enough.
No itching. Right now when 2 layers of fish are biting, you're mad, you know. You eat some food when fish are biting, you know.
Iron drive.
Iron! You can see him, Martin.
Hold on, my guy, you know.
I know you.
Hold it on, just hold it on.
Yeah, man, you're in the line.
Boy,
You know, we live here.
Shane, come wheel up down here. Come wheel up down. Put down everything and come wheel up down here.
Hurry up the line.
What's she say? Yeah, man, cool. And I feel good.
What size is it now? What size is it now?
So like I'm drunk.
What size is it now?
96.
96.
Yeah, but tonight, you know.
We now get $1. So you should take claw, use the claw bar carry up here.
Come down, sir.
Come on, yeah, come.
One uncle.
One.
One.
Never two.
And the two. One uncle.
I'm have a save it there.
One uncle.
From one location to the other. From one location to the other.
No, come
Come
on.
on, man.
You ever when I walk in
Come on,
like my
man.
way?
Come on, man.
See him the lawyer, sir.
Uncle
Jack.
have something. I want Jack.
Jack and Slava.
Jack and Papa.
Jack. Go on up on it.
Take him up.
One
Bison.
uncle.
Bison.
And the east, man. And the east.
Oh God. Oh God. Don't lock up a light. Oh God.
No
Double.
Yeah,
No
man.
problem.
One go. Who did that?
Uncle chip.
One chip.
One chip.
One chip.
One chip.
Again.
Come on, man.
Yes, man.
Come on.
Ball game.
Wow, dear.
The money?
Yeah.
Bring him up, bring him up. Bring him up, bring him up. One more to it.
Like when I drop them or something. Yeah, man. I want to
Jack, man, Jack.
Anja.
Come on.
Yeah, man. I'll look by
Yes,
you.
just how me rotate it now too. Me I put a big dog there.
Come with him. 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 In there.
Yeah, I see, look.
I'm fine there.
Far out.
Forward, man. Yeah. My forward, man.
Bring him up, bring him up.
Bring him in. Remember, so Bison boss now. And soap, you know, SSG boss. Bison.
I'm on the SSB, so SSB stop, man.
You can't see look at us like in my eye.
Yes, you know, you know, listen up. Just bring in him in. You know what I
In
say
the
now?
eye, you know this now.
Like I feel like,
In the eye.
push you up in our eye, man. Look up in this. Flying him off.
In the eye.
I want to, you know, Uncle Chip. Nah, left in line, you know.
Not left in it.
No care when there. I could have even land. Come man, come.
Rotate, you know, too.
Yeah.
You see him there, sir?
Go to flex line around this.
See him there?
Fish come on.
I want long jaw, you know. I want long jaw.
Oh,
Yo, it's a nice little one, you know. Hold him up, you know, if people ain't see him. We I kill you up and I beat you. Look how I mash him up. Hold him up like the liar. Hold him up like a liar. Look how I beat him up. Look how I beat him up, boys. One little long jaw weigh 1.5 pounds.
What do you think now, beating, brother?
Soup. Uncle, what do you think? How much I rate him? Out of 10?
him?
Yeah.
Two.
Yo, me nah beat him so bad. Anyway, we no stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. Nice little one. Nice little long jaw. Yeah, man, I'll bigger than that. 7 pound size.
Yeah, man. Bite.
Stop on this.
Bite. Yes, uncle. 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 Wheel. 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 Wheel.
Yo, I got to tighten up the drag. I said, grab it. And we'll lock your back under the bell. Quick reflex. And lick him.
Wheel.
Come on, come on.
Stiff up on eye, man.
Keep up on that.
Wheel. It's soft, you know. It's soft. Wheel.
Come on, don't hear why I idiot. I'm missing that.
Yo,
I'm like in tears.
You can't come here and
I'm
come
like
back.
in tears.
look on the muscle.
I'm like in tears.
Look on the muscle, man. Look on the muscle.
I'm like in tears.
You can't come here and go eat. You can't come here and go eat and come back and then done.
Yeah. All right. I must say small, right? All right. High on.
You're in a ramp, you know?
You see him?
Steve, look away. You say Steve.
Iron.
Yeah?
Iron.
Come on. Yo, so I'm give me a piece of my fish now.
Yeah, man, take a piece now. Take a piece now. Iron. One uncle.
Look here. Man, dead out here.
One uncle.
One.
One.
I'm not sorry, come here. Never. You know around Colombia now.
My forward man.
My flash man, oh God.
My flash for two.
Look at that. Jimmy, Abara. Jimmy, it might be wicked. Jimmy, man, Long jump. Jimmy.
That's a Jimmy, dive for Jimmy.
Pump
him. Pump him, uncle. Pump him. Yeah.
In the near now.
Alright.
In the near now.
Sit there. Sit there. Put it. Sit there. Unjack in our back. Jack in our back.
180. Yeah, guys, see there? 1X jack, you know? Yeah. Grab him.
Hold it to your head there.
Grab him. Wait there. Right off him. Right off him. Yeah! Hold him. Beef! It's awesome, John! Yo, uncle, no, hold on, uncle. It's awesome, John! It's soft!
Watch out!
It's soft! Yo! Awesome, where you yourself?
My God! When I see him pop out, I hold him and I flash him so. I'm say boom!
I don't know me go.
Yo, I see it. Now, I'm going to far back to him. You ever come on? I'm Mr. Ryan, go so. I'm here to say, when do we miss it? You want them to miss?
John!
Yo, I'm
look, so I start looking around now. Yeah, man, at least we can close the night with something big, you know? Something nice.
Nice.
Nice, Jack. Yeah, man. Decent size.
Cola.
Yeah, man.
Yo, boy,
Yeah, man.
this is everything, John. I don't know, I don't know.
Yo.
Come and say me
You
can't
can
make
get on,
it.
you know.
No, yo.
Yeah, make it get.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Decent size
When
bison.
back him, so, and he will come and pitch me. I'm Mr. Ryan.
Mr. Ryan,
Good on,
Decent
so.
size bison.
I mean, I say, yo.
The soft soap nearly John himself.
Boy, no, how you?
I line you one.
Yeah,
Line
man.
of mobile, but
Monster.
you know who good then, man.
No, that's number one.
Ah, and to return here, I see him like him and turn back. I say, me just a
Look
drive,
smart.
Good man, good man. That okay, I lock you, right?
All this.
Yo.
Yeah, get it.
Can't get it.
Couldn't get of it.
I have some oil first, you know. Yo.
Yeah. Oh.
You well tired, you know? I that.
In tired, man. Yeah, in tired.
No, when we go, so I saw you stay, you know. When you get your friend here, you know.
Yeah. But this, you kind of on shallow, so you're up on his side.
Yo, Mr. Ryan, in one position, so. And then I move on this slide.
So I start look around now to see if he gone.
You will flick your foot in the water.
Babes, this epic. Yeah, man, this epic. That one epic. No joke. You see me? This epic. Yeah, man. History
What
fish.
we do with him? Cook him for now, I'm gonna see what I got.
We have to link up on cooking. We have to cook him. We have to link up on cooking. Yeah, man. History. History fish.
Yes, yo. Bro. Yo, John.
I'm going to go for one more.
Right in our hand.
Finger boss, man. This have to go cook and get away, you know. You can't cast and get away.
History fish.
Oh, God.
We're wet.
Yeah, man. See when I bison, you know.
Yeah, man.
Bison.
Matic.
Isn't it? Bison.
Matic.
Yeah, bison, man. Bison.
On the left.
Bison.
This is it.
Yeah.
Catch at the night.
Yeah, bison.
Mr. Jimmy there. Guy Jimmy.
Oh, yeah.
Jimmy is the next Jack.
Yeah, hold this in though.
Jimmy. Yeah.
Jimmy. Give me a picture, Daddy. Yeah, I take photo.
That guy feel like
Jimmy. Yeah, man. Jimmy, snap him. Jimmy.
I'll take up with the phone.
I could have beat myself, but then we are
man.
preview. That's
I'm
all.
going to stand up with one, Baba.
decent. Decent size. Decent size.
Yeah, man, we need a proper picture.
You know, sir.
You man see.
How much are we?
Come on, man.
Like I feel like.
Fight. Food in our plate.
Food in a bucket, man. And food in
Food
a
in a net.
net.
Yeah, na
Food
net,
in our plate.
na bucket,
Oh, everybody nice.
lando of him film
Food in
na
a
hand.
hand.
Na bucket. You see me?
Yeah.
What fear then now? Show me fear. What fear then? Guys in don't eat fish, so we don't give him none. SSG.
He eats fish, but all kind of fish.
Anyway, stay tuned, guys. We don't know, say we have an epic and the best adventure them are come through, you know, cause we soon up the thing where we can rent on a tent and come spend the night, the weekend with we fishing, cooking, Blue Mountain tour. We just stay tuned for all of them, hiking, everything.
Ah, sorry, what say? Fine.
That's all in the fun. Fine. Alright, remember like and share the video.
Subscribe.
On pint.
Leave a comment.
Yeah, man.